back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make a shawl. I'm gonna use this yarn and 4mm hook. I'm gonna place in the description box below the description of the yarn that I am using. So to begin, we're going to make a slip knot. And now we're going to make a chain 3, yarn over and pull through. That's my first chain. 2 and 3. Go to the very first chain, insert your hook, grab that yarn and pull up a little bit and then pull through. So now I'm creating this little circle here, as you can see. Round 1, chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is my first double crochet. In the circle, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn and pull through 2, grab that yarn and pull through the rest of the loops in your hook. So that is our second double crochet. In the double crochet, in this one, the one we just made, we're gonna make a bead stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook around that double crochet at the back, grab that yarn and pull up. That's first. And we'll just repeat that one 4 more times. Grab that yarn, insert your hook at the back of the double crochet, the second one, grab that yarn and pull up. That's second. Grab that yarn, insert your hook at the back of the double crochet, grab that yarn and pull up. That's a third. Grab that yarn, insert your hook at the back of the double crochet, grab that yarn and pull up. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops in our hook. Grab that yarn and pull through until the last loop, and then we're gonna put that out, and we have here 2 loops left in our hook. So once you have that, grab that yarn and pull through 2. That is our first bead stitch. So now we're going to make a chain of 2, 1 and 2. So yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, that one, grab that yarn and pull. We're just going to make 1 double crochet, simple double crochet. And now we're going to make the bead stitch again. Yarn over, insert your hook at the back of that bead double crochet. Let's grab that yarn and pull up. That's first. 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and pull through until the last loop. I have 2 loops in my hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Get chain 1. And then we're going to make a triple crochet here. Yarn over 1, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the circle, grab that yarn and pull up. We have 4 loops in our hook. Grab that yarn and pull through 2, grab and pull through 2, grab and pull through 2. And this is how our work should look like in round 1. Round 2, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Turn your work around, and then here in the very chain 1 space, we're going to make 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in chain 2 space, which is this one here in between of the bead stitch. Insert your hook there, place 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet again in chain 2 space, 1 and then 2, like that. This is your work should look like. Round 3, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn, and now we're going to make a 1 double crochet in chain 2 space, which is this one here. Insert your hook, make 1 double crochet, and then now we're going to repeat this one here, the bead stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook at the back of the double crochet, grab that yarn and pull up. I'm gonna do that 3 more times. 2, 3, and last one 4. So we have 9 loops in our hook. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Grab that yarn and pull until the last loop. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Grab that yarn and pull through 2. And just like that. So chain 2, 1, 2, and then in the same chain 2 space, insert your hook, grab that yarn and pull, make 1 double crochet, and then repeat the bead stitch again, just like what we did here. Yarn over and make a bead stitch. 1, 2, 4 more times, okay? 2, 3, 4, and once you have 4, yarn over and pull through until the last loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, which is this one here. The chain 5 you make there in the last space. Insert your hook, make 1 double crochet, and then we're going to repeat this one here. Yarn over and make a bead stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over and pull through until the last loop, yarn over and pull through 2. And now chain 2, 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet here in the same chain 2 space, and then 1 bead stitch around that double crochet you just made. 1, 2, 3, and last one 4. So you should have 9 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through until the last loop. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through the rest of the loops in your hook. And now we're going to make a chain 1, and then 1 double crochet on the top of the 3rd chain. So yarn over and count 1, 2, and 3. So from the chain 5, we should have a 3rd chain here. 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook there. Then the chain 2 space was our space. Make 1 double crochet on the 3rd chain. And this is your work should look like. As you can see, it's starting to make like a V here. So as you can see, I just repeat round 1 in this part here. This time we are just growing here, so we have 2 of 4 bead stitch now, and here is 2. And this is your work should look like in round 3. So now round 4, I'm gonna repeat round 2, so which is chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then turn, And then we're going to make 1 double crochet in chain 1 space. Here, insert your hook, make 1 double crochet. And then we're going to make a double crochet this time, not a puff stitch. Insert your hook in the chain 2 space in between of the first bead stitch. Insert your hook here and make 1 double crochet. And then another double crochet in the same chain 2 space, chain 2, and 2 double crochet again in the same chain 2 space. Just like that. And then go to the next chain 2 space, which is in between again of the bead stitch. We're going to repeat this one here in the next chain 2 space. So 2 double crochet and 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. 1 and 2. I hope I'm not too fast for you. And this is how your work should look like in round 4. So as you can see, I am alternating it. So bead stitch, double crochet, bead stitch, double crochet. And now we're gonna repeat this one here, which is the bead stitch. Round 5, chain 3, just like in round 3 and round 1. So 1, 2, 3, chain 3, turn, and then 1 double crochet in chain 2 space, and 1 bead stitch around the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over and pull through until the last loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 2. So 1 and 2. Then in the same chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet again, and repeat 1 bead stitch around that double crochet we just made. 2, 3, and last one, 4. Yarn over and pull through until the last loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Just like in round 1 and round 3. And then jump to the next chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, make 1 bead stitch around that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and once you have 9 loops in your hook, yarn over until the last loop. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2, and then 1 double crochet in the same chain 2 space, and repeat the bead stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through until the last loop. Yarn over, pull through all the loops in your hook. Then jump to the last chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, and make a bead stitch around that double crochet again. 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through all until the last loop. Yarn over, pull through all, chain 2, and 1 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. This is gonna be our last chain 2 space, and then 1 bead stitch around that one. 2, 3, 4, and last 4, sorry. Yarn over and pull through until the last loop. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all. Then chain 1, 1 double crochet on the third chain, 1, 2, and 3, and the last 2 chain is the chain 2 space. Alternate round 4 and round 5. So round 4 and round 5, we're gonna alternate that. until we get the length that we want. So this is your work should look like. It's really nice. So go ahead do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. I am here in my last stitch. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn, and then secure the remaining stitch after that. So I'm gonna insert my hook in the last stitch. I'm gonna grab that yarn and pull, and yarn over and pull, and then pull tight, and then I'm gonna repeat that in each of the stitch I'm going through. It's up to you how you secure your stitches. As for me, it's easier this way. Just do what is easier for you. And cut the rest of the yarn. And there you go. We are done with our project. This is our beginning and all the way up. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials.